Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on App Guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Fetch app. So if you've been wondering how you can log into your Fetch app, you can stick with me till the end of this video to discover how you can do that. For this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Fetch Rewards app on your mobile device and then head over to the app. As you open up the app, you will land on an interface that looks like this, where you can see that there are different options in order to sign up to the account on the main surface. And there on the top right corner, you can also see the sign in button. So tap on the sign in button. And as you tap on the sign in button, you can see that you can either sign in by using your email address and your password or through your Google and Facebook. So if you had earlier signed up by using email and password, make sure that you enter your email on this section and your password on this section. As soon as you do this, you'll be able to log into your account. So this is basically how logging into the Fetch account works. It's quite a simple process and takes you less than a minute if you enter the correct credentials. So I hope that this video has been able to guide you through how you can log into your Fetch account. If you found this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section below. Also do like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification so that you are reminded every single time that App Guide comes up with a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around.